Dear students, so in this video we have to going to discuss about the definition of pharmacy. Actually, so many people are studying about the pharmacy and pharmaceutical technology and pharmaceutical sciences, pharma D, B pharmacy, diploma in pharmacy, pharma technology. All these courses, students have to learn perfect definition regarding the pharmacy, because it is the minimum need to know about the definition of pharmacy. Those who are studying pharma technology and D pharmacy, B pharmacy, etc. Okay, so pharmacy, definition of pharmacy is, it is the art and science of preparing and dispensing of drugs and medicines. This is a simple definition. So it is the art and science of preparing and dispensing of drugs and medicines. So this is a simple and simplified definition of pharmacy. But here so many definitions are there to define the actual description of pharmacy is the another definition is the art and practice or the profession of preparing and processing, compounding and dispensing of medicinal drugs. Okay, the art and practice of the art and practice or profession of preparing and processing, compounding and dispensing of medicinal drugs is also known as pharmacy. Okay, this is another definition. And one more definition is there. According to our Indian Pharmacopoeia, pharmacy is the study. It involves pharmaceutical products. It involves the pharmaceutical product collection, isolation, identification, preparation or manufacturing, production and storage, dispensing and compounding of medicinal drugs. So this is a simplified definition of pharmacy. So we need to learn the perfect definition of pharmacy we need to learn in the sense of pharmacy, in the sense of pharmaceutical industry or pharmaceutical sciences. Okay, so this is the perfect definition to learn about the pharmacy definition. So those who are studying pharma technology vocational course students also need to learn the perfect definition of pharmacy. Pharmacy is the art and science of preparing and dispensing of medicines. Okay, this is the perfect definition. In the sense of in Indian Pharmacopoeia, based on the pharmacy is the study to involve the pharmaceutical product collection, isolation, identification, preparation or manufacturing, production and storage, compounding and dispensing of the medical drugs in the sense of medical, in the sense of medicinal terminology. Okay, so everyone learn the definition perfectly. So this is the definition. Okay, so pharma technology vocational students need to learn this definition. This is a minimum requirement to learn about the pharmacy technology or pharma technology. Okay, thank you. So if you are like this video, please hit on like button and subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.